It's a public health emergency. That's one expert's reaction to tonight's Team 4 investigation. The numbers are alarming, to say the least.
Now, asthma in children at rates 3 times higher than the national average in one local school district. And it's not the school district you might be thinking.
Here's Team 4 investigator Jim Parsons.
Andrew and Wendy, the school district that has been yelling the loudest about its high asthma rate is South Allegheny, where the air quality has tested consistently among the worst in the nation for particle pollution. But our Team 4 investigation found other school districts that have even higher numbers of kids with asthma, and one that's simply off the charts. Asthma in school-aged children has never been higher. The national and state average 11% and climbing. And a Team 4 investigation discovers several school districts in western Pennsylvania that are far higher than that. In the most recent numbers from the state health department, Baldwin-Whitehall School District reported 15% of students with asthma. Steel Valley Schools, 16.5%. South Allegheny, 17.6%. Stowe Rock Schools reported 18% of students with asthma. And at Propel Charter School in Homestead, the asthma rate was above 20%. But the school district that's the biggest loser with asthma 2 school years in a row is Northgate, located along Ohio River Boulevard in Avalon and Bellevue. The most recent numbers here put the asthma rate at an astounding 37.6% of all students.
That's a public health emergency.
Myron Arnowit is Pennsylvania State Director of Clean Water Action.
I've studied this issue. I've read the scientific literature on asthma. Numbers over 30% are off the charts high.
I know a lot of kids who have it.
Here in Northgate School District?
In Northgate, yeah, because my son goes to Bellevue.
And your son has asthma?
Oh, yes, he does.
Is asthma something you've heard about here in Avalon and Bellevue?
Absolutely. I'm going to see a couple friends today whose children have asthma. They carry a inhaler.
It's really tough. It's a heavy burden that I have to carry.
17-year-old Blaze Campbell takes daily medication for asthma. He's had to leave school in an ambulance more times than he cares to remember. Blaze lives in Bellevue, within view and smell of the heavy industrial plants on Neville Island.
You can smell it some mornings. Whenever it's a nice cool morning, you can definitely smell the chemicals in the air.
And we clearly know that these emissions are harmful for children, but it is not the only thing that's making them sick.
Dr. Fernando Holguin is a Children's Hospital epidemiologist in the midst of a major research project on asthma in Allegheny County. As researchers gather air samples in playgrounds and on streets, they are confirming what they already knew. It isn't just industrial pollution that leads to asthma. If it was, South Allegheny schools, just downwind from Clairton Coke Works, would have the highest asthma rate. Dr. Holguin says other leading factors include vehicle traffic, in-home allergens, obesity, domestic stress, and also, he says, poverty and ignorance.
Lack of understanding of the disease, lack of having the necessary income and access to information are big contributors.
We don't know.
Arnowit says children in Northgate School District don't have time to wait for studies to be published.
I don't think air pollution is the sole reason this is happening, but it's obviously one of the problems. It's one that we can do something about easily, and it's one which we haven't seen enough action on.
Blaze Campbell is more direct.
It is not the best air quality, and they need to improve it.
Blaze is right. We don't have the best air quality. Pittsburgh, in fact, has some of the worst levels of particle pollution and ozone in the entire nation. And the effort to improve it is not keeping up with ever tougher standards set down by the U.S. EPA. Now, we asked the County Health Department and Northgate School District for their reaction to our findings. So far, no reaction. We've asked for an interview tomorrow with County Health Director Dr. Bruce Dixon. We also want to let everyone know that we have asthma rates for every school district in a 5-county area around Pittsburgh. You'll find those numbers for your school district on our website, WTAE.com. Go to the Team 4 page and you'll find those numbers there. These numbers come from the State Health Department. The numbers are reported to them by each school district.
Stunning numbers.
Incredibly high numbers.
And you followed the air quality very closely in a Team 4 investigation not long ago.
Right.
This is the icing on the cake.
Yes.
People have to take action, and it starts now.
There's no question that there's a correlation, there's a connection between air pollution and asthma. Not the only factor, but the main factor.
All right, Jim.
All right, Jim.
Thanks, Jim.